I'm Ian Maker, Real Estate Gurus, Remax Gold.
Hello, and I'm Paula Harvey with homeguyemortgage. Welcome.
Today we're going to talk about FHA loans and the benefits and the pitfalls.
Yes, that is a great topic and one that I'm very passionate about. As a mortgage consultant, I come to the table to first consult my clients with what the best loan for them is going to be. I like to tailor it around their needs and how we can get them into a home. So a lot of times, for example, a client will call me up and say, "Hey Paula, I want to get an FHA loan." And I'll say, "Well, why do you want an FHA loan?" Because they think the interest rate is lower. The interest rate is maybe a little bit lower in today's market, but the difference is really it comes down to what is your credit score and what is your debt to income ratio. And that takes into account your income minus all of your monthly debts and liabilities, including your home. So we look at all that, but here's the thing. If your credit score is really low, an FHA loan may benefit you because the monthly mortgage insurance premium on that is going to be less versus, say, a conventional loan. But a conventional loan, did you know you can actually buy a home with 3% down, not 3.5%? And your monthly mortgage insurance premium, if your credit score is over 700, is going to be much better than FHA.
No
What do
kidding.
you think? Yeah.
Well, let me ask you, I know that there's a loan out there for FHA that they call a fix-up loan. It's a 203K. Can you tell me something about that? Because in today's marketplace, there's going to be more and more homes because things aren't selling as quickly. There's going to be more homes on the market that need to be fixed up, and you can purchase for a good rate because of the fact that they need to be fixed up and the market's not as hot. So people are going to be more negotiable. Maybe you could tell me something about that.
Sure, I'd love to. That is called a 203K. It's a fix-up program. So we have a couple different levels. It's very complex, and so we can talk to each individual person about what they need for that particular home, depending on how severe the issues are that need to be repaired, or if you just want to repair. So let's say you want to go in and put a whole new kitchen. You can do that. You can get a 203K loan to do that, and that basically works like a construction loan, if you will. And so you'll go in and you'll get bids and quotes and all this stuff, and we'll do the loan based on the purchase price and what the construction costs are going to be. And then we go ahead and close the loan and have those monies, those funds sitting there to be drawn upon as the work is completed.
Now, I understand there's two types there's a streamline and a full one that's a little more intensive. You got to kind of get all kinds of bids and everything, and the streamline's a little more for like carpet, paint, the general repairs, and getting the house in good order.
Right, that is correct, and that goes up to 30,000, but then you can go up from there. So not all lenders do both of those programs, so you definitely need to consult with your lender. I'd be happy to talk to you about that.
So if I got a house that needs a new foundation and it's an old Victorian, but it's worth putting the money into and I'd get my return out of it, would I consider the other FHA loan, the big one?
Yes, you would most likely have to do that in that case.
Wow.